Hey everyone, this is 3D Dave, and today is not so ordinary day. Today we're going to unbox for the first time something on camera. I recently acquired a new Sonos Move. I do have already other Sonos products, so the Move was a normal move for me. So let's see what this package brings. From Sonos we are used to the fact that they come very nicely packaged. Everything is in there, it's well organized, it's nice all the way. You see product information, you don't need that. How to connect the Move, well, it's a Sonos product, how difficult can it be? And the only thing is that we probably will have to push one of those buttons. Let's see what's further. And here we have it. Like all other products. Oh, let's see what these are. Cables. And here is the product itself. Ooh, it's heavy. It is heavy, definitely. This one's for later. Let's see what we have here. Nicely packaged, like everything, like we're used to from Sonos. So we can go away. And can we pull it out? No, I think we will have to remove it like this. Let's see if there. Nothing. So this is their charging station, and this is the Move itself. Let's unpack the Move. This is a USB-C type charger, so you can charge it somewhere else if you don't use the charging station. Nicely packaged indeed. It says Move. Well, it's definitely nice. This is the charger. Let's see how easy that it fits in there. Nice. I haven't set it up or anything, so as you can see, it can go Bluetooth or wireless. Mine will be wireless. As long as I'm in the range of my Boost, it will work, and I'm not living in a house that's that big that I need some extension or so. Yeah, I will definitely make it work today, and the sound quality is pretty good, I know. If you want to know more details on the Move, like how loud is it, what tweeters are in there, or etc., I can forward you to other YouTube channels. This is just an unbox. What's in the box, what do you get, and what is it? I'm not that technical. Those guys are way more technical and way better to explain to you. I'm not an audiophile. I just like to listen to music, but I don't know anything about it. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining in, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.